and welcome to today's Walmart winter try-on. I found an awesome jacket in here, a scarf set, like really great warm cozy options that are going to be great for this winter, and they're all super affordable. Oh, and I found the world's cutest boots. Like, I am so excited to share all of these pieces with you guys, and like always, everything will be linked down in one link in the description box, so you can easily shop everything that I have mentioned in today's video. And if you're new here, you can also follow me over on my Instagram, just where I share more of my personal life. I share daily sales and outfit inspiration, so lots of fun happens over there too. So let's go on and hop into the first piece. This outfit is so cute. This top is probably one of my favorites out of this entire outfit because it is so soft. It's a great basic long sleeve. Love the neutral kind of checkered pattern. Has a great length on it. This is size small, but I thought paired with this skirt, it just looked really cute tucked in the front. Now I love the versatility of the top too. You guys, just like look how soft that just looked. Like, it's incredible. So like I said, I love the versatility of it, so you can kind of dress it up a little bit more like this with like a corduroy skirt and boots, or you could wear it more casual and dress it down with like leggings and things like that. It is just so cute, and it's super affordable. I believe this top's under like $12 or $13, I think. Comes in a few colors. Now as far as sizing for this skirt, this is not from Walmart, but this is from H&M. Also really affordable skirt, one of my favorites. And in this retailer, I always size up one size. And then these boots are really comfortable too. But this white top is so good. Like, the quality is so nice and thick. It has like a ribbed kind of material on it. The length is great on the arms, runs true to size. Looks really cute tucked in to these high-waisted Levi denim jeans. And then these boots, you guys, are, I just can't even get over how cute they are. I just love them. They are like a micro suede lace-up boot. Now that zipper there is not functional, it's just kind of there for style. But then you can easily like lace it up, and the heel is just like the perfect little amount. I just think it is so cute. They just look like they're so expensive, but they were actually really affordable. I think there's lots of different ways that you can style it. They're very warm and comfortable. I think if you put some really nice warm fuzzy socks in there, you can do lots of things outside with them. But I think they tend to be pretty warm actually in general. I can't get enough of them. I think they are so cute. Next is the coziest, cutest pair of pajamas. Lately, Walmart has been blowing me out of the water with just the quality of their pajamas. Now, these are specifically the Hanes brand, which I was super excited when I found them. I wasn't aware that Walmart carried Hanes. These are super soft and comfortable. Now, as far as sizing, I did size up to a medium for the length, and these definitely do run big on me. I think I probably should have went with the size small, but the length is really good on them. They're so comfortable. They feel like $40–50, like I spent $40–50 on them, but they're so cute and comfortable, and they were really affordable. As far as the top though, I think the medium actually fits me really well, but that's just because I don't love tight fitting pajamas, if you know what I mean. Like, I like them to fit a bit looser, so I definitely could make this work, but I think the small might have fit me just a bit better. But it does come in a few other patterns, and are you guys ready for this? I found the most comfortable sweatpants. They're velour. Like, I can't even believe like the quality, the feel of these. They have a little heart here, which is really cute. They have nice pockets. The length is great. They run true to size. They have a really nice drawstring up here. I just love these. Like, I want to get them in more colors. This is the perfect type of sweatpant to just like wear around the house, even head out of the house, because I just feel like the quality of them is really nice. Like, did I spend $50 on these? That's what they look like to me. But No, they were super affordable. Love them. And I just went ahead and threw on the leopard pajama set, the top to it, because I thought they looked really, really cute together. Love this. This is so adorable. Such a great little casual lounge around the house outfit. Wow. I love it. But then I also wanted to share with you guys a weekender bag that I had picked up from Time and True, just because on the weekends, I know in the holidays we tend to like travel more and things like that, and I wanted to check this one out and share my thoughts with you guys. So this is what they call their new weekender bag from Time and True. Now I thought it would come a little bit bigger than it did. It has like a little pocket in the front, as you can see here, and then has nice brown handles. It actually clasps there at the top, which is nice. And then it does have a lot of good spacious room. It also has like a little zipper right here that you can put some other things in. I just feel like overall it's a bit of a smaller bag. Like I almost feel like it would work better as like a computer bag or something like that. And they do come in a few colors. I just got like this taupey brown color, but just for size reference, like that's kind of how it fits on me. So I definitely wouldn't be able to fit a ton in this. I would probably only be able to fit like one night in here. So if you've been looking for a smaller bag that will kind of do that, this could be a great option. Or just like a new computer bag that can just be used as your computer bag. This would could potentially be a really good option for that. But just wanted to share that. Don't think I could fit more than one night in here, but is an option for you. Next is definitely one of my favorites. This is a really cute dressy option. I love this peplum top. I think this is so beautiful and so stunning. It has gorgeous like lace, like a lacy see-through arm. The material is really nice. It's double lined, so it's not going to be see-through at all. Runs true to size. I just think it's so beautiful. And then these are the Levi jeans, one of my favorite jeans ever from Walmart. I just think the quality is amazing. They have a little bit of distressing on the knees, which I think just looks really cute with this wash. Love that. And then my favorite little black pumps from the Scoop brand at Walmart, which is the new brand. So just love this look. Great kind of casual dressy option. I love it. Can't get enough of it. Can't recommend this one enough. Next up is another one of my favorites. I've kind of been on the hunt for a new like scarf and little beanie set, and this one I'm obsessed with. I love them. I wore them when we went with my side of the family to go pick out a Christmas tree. It was so cold out and this kept me so warm. I love the kind of pink colors that come in the hat. It has a little ball on the top of your head. It's super warm and cozy. I love the little fraying at the end of it too. I think it's really cute, and it's surprisingly really warm. I just like wrapped it around my neck, threw on a jacket, which I'm going to show you a really good one next, and it was great. So highly recommend this. It comes in a few other colors. This brand is just, or this particular style, I would just highly recommend. I think they're great. And I love everything about it, and I think it looks really cute paired with these boots as well. If you haven't gotten your tree yet, this would be a really cute outfit to wear. Okay, so I did go ahead and throw on the coat, but I wanted to share with you how it looked with the scarf on as well. So I think the scarf, the pink and the white, contrast really well with the black jacket. I just think this is the perfect little wear outside kind of outfit for the colder months. It's just so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and take this scarf off and share with you more about the jacket. Okay, so this is the jacket. Personally, I love it. Like when I put it on, I was like, I'm blown away. I was not expecting it to be this good. So it has really nice pockets. It has like a texture on the front, which I really like. A great, well-functioning zipper. It also has a hood. Now it does run true to size. I got my normal size small, and I feel like it fits very well, and it comes in at least 6 or 7 other colors. So if you just want like some more jacket color options to match for different outfits that you might have, this is definitely an option with this coat style. I just specifically went with black because I felt like it would match with the most things, and I love how black soaks up sunlight, so especially when it's really chilly up here in PA, that's just like an extra layer of warmth. But this jacket in and of itself I think is really warm, and I love the inside of it. It's just a great material, and I'm just so pleasantly surprised. So if you've been on a hunt for like a puffer jacket that fits well, I like how it kind of curves in here a little bit on the side, so it is quite flattering too. This would be a great option to check out, and I think it looks especially cute with these lace up micro suede boots too. I just think such a cute outdoor look. All right, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.